Hello YouTube and welcome to another B2 cloud storage tutorial. So in this video we're gonna see what happens when actually connection drops mid-transfer, especially when you're uploading large file. So are you ready? Let's get started. So in my last video I showed you how to set up B2 cloud storage, okay, and also we have installed Rclone, which is Swiss Army knife utility for transferring files between B2 and your local machine or local data actually, okay. So as you can see here, I'm logged into my Backblaze B2 cloud storage. So as you have seen, we have set up some buckets in order to upload files, okay. So in this video we're gonna see what happens when connection drops mid transfer, especially when you're uploading large files, okay. So let me use my command line here, prompt. Here we go. So first we're gonna see the configuration here. So as you can see, we have some remotes. We have a remote called B2 and another one called encrypted B2. So let's say just use this B2 remote in order to transfer some files, okay, and we're gonna simulate actually a connection drop, okay. So in order to do that, let me first execute the command Rclone. I'm gonna use the copy here command, and of course I'm gonna transfer a big file, so I name it big.emg, which is on my desktop here, and I'm gonna transfer that to B2 actually bucket called aminos ninatos, okay. So let's do also a progress in order to see what's going on, and I'm gonna actually drop the connection mid transfer. So this big.emg file actually has a size of 500 megabytes, okay. So I'm gonna drop the connection just after I launch the command here, okay. So let's launch this command. Here we go, and see what happens. So you can see here the transfer has begun, okay. So there is actually here a minute. We have also some 2 minutes left, okay. So let me just simulate a drop of connection here, okay. So here we go. I disconnected the connection here now, and I'm gonna wait what's gonna happen. So you can see now that I get some errors. So here failed to copy, failed to head to download to this bucket here, okay. No such host because simply the connection has been dropped, okay. So this is expected now. So what happened here? So actually when you are uploading large files, B2 split those big files into chunks, okay. And when you relaunch the command Rclone copy, it will actually begin the transfer for the chunks that are not finished yet, okay. So how do you can see the chunks that has not been finished? So actually to view those unfinished large file or actually unfinished chunks, you're gonna head to your interface here on your website or for B2 cloud storage. So this is my bucket aminos ninatos, and here there is an option to see those unfinished large files. So as you can see here, so we can click on this link, and this is our unfinished log file, not log file but unfinished file actually, okay. But you have to keep in mind, when you have multiple large files, those files will actually occupy space that you have to delete, okay. So you have to delete this space unoccupied by this unfinished large files, and I will show you how you can do that actually. So you can do that here from the website. So as you can see here, you can delete unfinished large files on the browser file page. So you can simply go to the browser file here. So you can simply go here to your bucket, and you can find here the unfinished big.image file that I have uploaded. You can of course select it and delete it, or you can just use your command line also, rclone cleanup command, and b2, and here you specify your bucket name. Okay, simple as that. So you can free up some disk space for actually unfinished large files. Okay, but how can you solve this situation now? So if you have multiple large files and you want to upload them, so the solution is actually pretty straightforward. You have to use some arguments like retries and also retry slip. Okay, so here I will use the same command, but this time I will add an argument, retries. So it will retries, for example, 10 times, and the duration between these retries is the retry slip. So it will check the connection. Let me retry slip actually for 10 seconds. Okay, you can also use another argument, which is transfers. So I can upload 4 files here simultaneously. Okay, so with the use of this command, and if you have a reliable connection, you can get your big or large files uploaded to the B2 actually cloud storage. Okay, so here it will check the number of retries, which is here 10, and the duration between these retries is 10 seconds. Okay, so this you can actually be sure that you will transfer your files into the B2 or Backblaze B2 cloud storage. Okay, so keep that in mind whenever you want to transfer large files to the B2 cloud storage, and you are afraid if you lose the connection, use this command, which is pretty reliable in order to get your big large files uploaded to the cloud storage. Okay, so that was just a brief video to show you how to handle actually large files if you want to upload them to the B2 cloud storage. So if you've liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment or like, and of course I will respond to all your comments or questions. So as always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.